So I've mixed my cretestone to like a creamy, it's like thick cream. I think the experts might use a slightly thinner cream, but a thinner cretestone, but let's do our best with this. Just get it on and just see if we can get it smoothish. And for those of us who are not used to it, I can tell this is going to be a messy process. I've already dropped some on myself. Well, that's looking fairly smooth. Idea, so at the moment, is just to get the stuff on. We'll smooth it later on. Don't consider this a how to skim movie, it's a how. It might turn out a how not to skim. And like I say, we just put it on a minimal amount just to see how we do. Just to see how difficult this job is going to actually turn out to be. So far, I'm very impressed how smooth it's turning out. I know experts are going to say it's terrible, but I'm pretty impressed so far. Looks smooth enough. And I haven't even started to smooth it yet. So what was it? You're supposed to press more gently to the right, and as you move along, you press heavier to the left. And that's supposed to not leave a line. I would imagine you're also supposed to leave it to set before you. Well, that's pretty good. It just needs a little bit of playing with. One is definitely not supposed to skim it in sections, but let's see if it works, skimming it in sections. I always hate it when an amateur like me thinks they can know better than an expert, but I must say that's looking a lot better. Wow. Wow, 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 that looks a lot better. It's not perfect, but it looks great, a lot better. So here is a closer look at it. I can see in places there are a few unevennesses, but I think it has to dry first. But I would be happy with that even if it was the finished product. And I presume that when it's a bit drier, it's going to be easier to just give it a once over. Well, about 3/4 of an hour has elapsed. I cleaned my trowel. I did learn from the videos that you're supposed to have a clean trowel and sometimes you need a bit of water. I want to see how dry this is now. Yeah, it's definitely a lot drier. This, because it is so much drier, this definitely smooths easier. If you're not a perfectionist, this is your house, you don't care that the final product is perhaps not as 100% perfect. I know that proper contractors who've done this many times would say this is not as good as they would have done it. Of course not. And so I'm pretty sure it'd be no problem to join, add on little sections. It all looks, the color's going to be pretty homogeneous when it dries, even if you do it in section. So this is just a lovely little DIY project to slowly improve the look of this. This is a concrete ceiling, and yeah, pretty pleased with the way it looks. I'll just give you a closer up view of it. So this is what it looks like close up. You can see it's beginning to dry, and you can see the difference in the color, but I'm going to basically just leave it now to dry.